Look, friend, if your height is 4 feet 11 inches, then your weight should be between 40 and 50 kilograms. Only then will it be considered an ideal weight. If your height is 5 feet 2 inches, you need to weigh between 48 and 59 kilograms. If your height is 5 feet 5 inches, your weight should be between 55 and 68 kilograms. And if you are 6 feet tall, your weight should be between 72 and 89 kilograms. Boss, this is what is called the perfect ideal weight according to height. Now, look at yourself. If your weight is less than this, then in simple words, you are extremely thin, just skin and bones. You need to start working on gaining weight immediately. So today, I'm going to tell you 3 dangerous, highly effective methods to gain weight. The first method is the easiest, and you can easily gain 6 to 10 kilograms of weight with it. But the second method after this is a bit hard. You will only gain 3 to 5 kilograms of weight in a month, but your body will become as strong and solid as iron. And the third method? Well, brother, it is a bit of an advanced level method. Not everyone can do it. You might only gain 2 to 3 kilograms of weight a month, but if you use this method, you will look like an international fitness model, and your body will be absolutely stunning. Let's talk about the first method, with which 6 to 10 kilograms of weight will increase in no time. In this method, you have to take only 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But there is a trick here. You have to keep in mind that whatever you eat should have a very high calorie count. For example, if you eat a regular roti, you will get 106 calories, but if you eat a paratha instead, you will get 200 calories in one go. And if you put plenty of ghee or butter on that roti or paratha and eat it, boom, 250 calories will immediately go into your pocket. So by using your intelligence to increase the calories in your food, you can increase your weight. This method is very easy, but yes, it is better for those who are extremely thin like dried fish, for those whose ribs are visible, those who are extremely skinny. Start with this method. Now let's move to method number 2, which is a bit difficult, and you will gain 3 to 5 kilograms of weight in a month. In this method, instead of 3 meals, you have to eat 5 meals a day. But be careful, unlike the previous method, you cannot eat tons of butter or ghee here. In this method, the use of oil must be minimized, and you should use as little spice in food as possible. And yes, you must put something or other in your stomach every 2 hours. Only then will you be able to eat 5 times a day. For example, eat whatever is cooked normally at home, but you know what will happen if you eat with less spice? The food will digest quickly. The real fundamental of this method is to squeeze out the essence of the food and apply it to your body. And listen to the most important rule of this method. Never drink water while eating. Absolutely no water. Finish your meal and drink water only half an hour after that. What is the benefit of this? The food will digest properly, which will nourish your body, and your weight will increase rapidly. The best thing about this method is that your body will become solid and strong from within, which is very beneficial for you. Now, for those whose weight does not increase even after eating home-cooked food, they will need a mass gainer. You should use this mass gainer only when you are working out. If you don't work out, this mass gainer will have no use for you. Therefore, immediately after finishing your workout, you should take Nature Sure Double Mass Gainer. And if you take this, it will help a lot in increasing your weight. It contains carbohydrates and whey protein, along with many minerals and vitamins. Many people have this issue where they eat a lot, but nothing shows on their body. Because this contains a good amount of healthy calories, it helps in weight gain. Anyone, boy or girl, can use this to increase their weight and muscle mass. To use it, mix 2 spoons in 200 ml of water or milk, shake it well, and drink it. If you use it regularly, you will see good results within just 1 month. Your weight will start increasing, and your muscle mass will increase as well. Now let's move to our third method, which is a bit more difficult, but if you can do it once, your weight might increase by 2 to 3 kilograms, but your body will become entirely muscular with a gym look, and the weight you gain will never decrease. The number one and most primary tip of this method is workout. Boss, you have to exercise, no laziness. We will do heavy workouts 3 days a week and also take a high-protein diet. Look at the screen now. You can see a list of some protein-rich foods. You must eat any one of these protein foods for breakfast every morning. I'm showing it clearly on the screen. You can take a screenshot if you want. Eating any of these items for breakfast will keep a supply of protein in your body throughout the day, which will help tremendously in increasing muscle mass and weight. In this method, you have to take 4 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, a meal after the workout, and dinner at night. Breakfast should be very heavy. The more good things you eat for breakfast, the more benefit you will get. From the list I showed on the screen, definitely include one food in your breakfast. Then do the workout, and if your meal is high in protein right after the workout, your weight will not only increase, but muscle gain will happen at a rocket speed. And along with this, if you want, you can also use whey protein or a mass gainer, as I mentioned. Or you can easily include any high-protein food, like eggs, chicken, or fish in your diet. Now let's talk about dinner. Look, when you have dinner at night in this third method, do not eat very heavy or greasy food. I mean, do not eat high-rich food. In this method, our target is that we will eat, but it should be fully digested. If your stomach does not have the capacity to digest more food, forcing yourself to eat more will have no use, and instead it will upset your stomach. So eat a very normal meal at night, but it should be high in carbohydrates. You can try a small trick here. At night before going to bed, whenever you finish dinner, if you can eat 2 bananas with it, it will work like magic for weight gain. Bananas contain slow digestive carbohydrates, which digest slowly throughout the night and keep generating energy in your body, as a result of which weight starts increasing rapidly. That's it. Follow all these rules. Just by following these 3 methods, you will see your weight starting to increase very quickly. If you want to know about many more of such protein-rich foods that will help you gain weight, look at the screen. A video is appearing. Click on that and you will be able to see it. And do not miss any of the tricks or tips I mentioned. Otherwise, all my hard work will go in vain. You can give me a thank you or a like. I will be very happy. And if you are new, you must join our channel. Thank you very much for watching the video so far. We will see you in another new video. Until then, take care of yourself and stay healthy.